Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can view all of the photos and videos which you have recorded on your GoPro. So you could have recorded lots of videos and photos but you're not being able to locate that. I will simply show you how you can do that. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now the very first thing I will do is simply power on my GoPro by pressing the power button. Once I power on my GoPro, you can see this is how it is going to look like. So let me go ahead and show you a brief one right over here. You can select the modes right over here. You could have selected and clicked some of the photos and videos, but you're not being able to find that. As you can see, we don't have a dedicated slot or a dedicated button anywhere on this GoPro in order to view all of the photos. So how do we actually go about viewing all of the photos and videos which you have recorded? In order to do that, it's a very simple process. What you need to do is from the bottom, you need to simply swipe upwards. So let me just go ahead and show you that. As you can see, all of the photos and videos which you have taken will basically show up over here. You can go ahead and slide it in order to go ahead and browse through more options right over here. So you can see right over here, as in this case, it was fairly easy. It's not really that hard. You could go ahead and simply do that. As I said, you can simply swipe it towards the right hand side or the left hand side to browse through all the photos, and you can simply come back to its original position again. And if you want to view all of those again, as I said again, simply swipe towards the upward direction. If you want to delete a particular one, you could simply tap on this trash icon which you see at the bottom left, and tap on this trash icon, and then it will ask you to delete. Tap on the delete button. You can see that is going to be successfully deleted. You could go ahead and delete more ones and simply tap on the delete button again. If you want, you can also go ahead and do other fancy stuff. So basically this is it on how you can view all of the photos and videos which you have recorded on your GoPro. You need to simply swipe upwards. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.